Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Nikki and today I'm going to be talking about the new Kiss Falscara. These are a new product I saw recently at Walmart and I haven't seen anyone else talk about them. So I wanted to talk to you guys today about them and give them a try and see how they work. They have these wisps and this bond and sealer and a metal applicator. It says no clumps, no smudges, no strips, no damage, no mistakes. When mascara isn't enough, you love the look of a lash extensions and you don't want to deal with strip lashes. So basically this is supposed to be a do-it-yourself lash extension kit. I thought it was really interesting. It's really similar to the Lashify lash system, which if you go on Instagram, these are really similar. Lashify kit is about $145 and this kit was $18. So you're saving a ton of money with this product. So I wanted to give it a try. Interested in watching? Then let's get started. So zooming you guys in, these are my natural lashes. I already curled my lashes, but I did not apply any mascara. So I feel like with this product, it's probably better not to have any product on my eyes. This is what the lashes look like coming out of the package. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wisps for each side. And this case is reusable, and you can pop off the lid and store your lashes over and over again using that. It has the 3 steps and then it has the pro tips on the side. So I'm gonna try this. So here is the sealant and the bond. The bond is on the like bronzy or gold side and then the seal is on the silver side. So I'm gonna start with, and I've got the style lifting, which I thought would work the best for my eyes because they're more curled. So I thought those would also last longer. So I have my mirror here and I'm gonna apply the bond onto my lashes. Okay, there's that. It seems to go on just like mascara. And now I'm going to take the first wisp and apply it under my lash. Oh wow. That's super sticky. That already stuck. I'm really surprised. So I'm going to take the next one. This is way easier than I thought. It's really, really sticky. And then the last one for the inner corner. I just realized I probably did the wrong set on the wrong eye, but hopefully it works just about the same. Oh, okay. This inner corner one I didn't have placed right. I'm gonna take that off. Okay. I think it helps to like look down at like a mirror. Wow. I almost don't think I need the inner corner one. I feel like it's a little too much. I feel like it looks a little better on my eye to have just the 4 out of the 5. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like that because it doesn't really fit on my eye here, and I'd rather just put a little bit of mascara here to like make it look more natural. So I'm only gonna do one eye at a time because I don't want to have this sticky on both sides, so they feel pretty secure on there. So now I'm gonna take the silver side, which is the seal, and brush that on. I'm not supposed to like remove the sticky residue and also seal them on. A little gunkier than I would have thought, but wow. So that's the difference. Oops. You can see the seal is a little thick. Oops. Well. Okay, well maybe you shouldn't pull your lashes off right away. So I start over. Okay, last one's not sticking very well, so put a little bit more bond there. Let's see if we can get this one to stick. Kind of hard to get them to stick exactly where you want them. Hi guys, so this is the final look. My lashes are really long. I can honestly say this is not something for a beginner because I had to redo these about 3 times to get them to stay on and to look the same. I think they do look really good, and I do like that, I don't know, that they don't feel like as heavy as like lashes on top, but I do still feel them, and I don't know. It was a lot of work to put them on. I'm not the best at strip lashes either, and I have tried the magnetic lashes and I did not like that either. So I'm usually a girl who just like sticks with mascara, but these do look pretty good, and I definitely think it's worth a try, especially if you have tried Lashify. And if you do like Lashify, you definitely be really good at this because it's the same process when you apply it. But these definitely have a big learning curve, and I thought they were pretty difficult to apply once to completely apply them. At first it seemed really easy, they just stick on there, but then when I would like put the sealer on, one would fall off or one would move and not be in the right place. So I think with more practice I would actually really like these, and they are really easy to clean. The lashes you can clean off with rubbing alcohol, and then don't use rubbing alcohol on your eyes, it'll burn them. So but using some makeup remover, but they also make their own makeup remover that goes with this. But I think they turned out really good, and we'll see how long they last, or they might not even stay on because I don't know if I did it exactly right, but we'll see how they look later in the day, or if they just drive me too crazy to wear them, because I do feel them. I think if like I pinch them and kind of like pull them a little away from my waterline, they feel a bit more comfortable. So see how like they're really close to the waterline. If I kind of like pinch it and pull them a little bit away, that feels a little better. So we'll see how long these last today. I had to like use makeup remover a lot, so I'm gonna finish my makeup and then show you the final look. Hi guys, so here's the final look. I definitely am feeling these lashes, and doing my makeup pieces already fell off once or twice. So I think I definitely need more practice with these. They do look really good, but I do not think it's a beginner product. I think it definitely takes a little bit more practice. If you're really good with strip lashes, you might find it easier than I did, but I did not find these to be very easy, and I don't think I'm going to be able to keep them on throughout the day. So thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos of products like this, please let me know in the comments below, and have a great day. Bye.